Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Abdul Bukhari and today I would like to share one thing I'm proud of. The thing I'm proud of is my independence. And this is not about one specific achievement or a single moment in my life. It is about how I have learned to rely on myself over time and handle responsibilities without depending too much on others. This experience has grown gradually throughout my daily life. In many situations, especially in my family and among my friends, I am often involved in discussion and important decisions. Sometimes these decisions are not small and they can affect other people, not just myself. The people involved are my family members, my relatives, and my friends. They often come to me when they face problems or need advice. They trust my opinion and they believe that I can help them think clearly. At first, this role felt heavy. I felt pressure because I didn't want to make mistake or disappoint anyone. However, at the same time, I feel trusted and that trust slowly made me stronger and more confident. I'm proud of myself because I can stand on my own feet and solve my own problems. I try not to trouble other people with my personal issue. More than that, I'm proud because I can also be someone that others rely on. Even when I don't have all the answer, I try to listen carefully and think responsibly. From this experience, I learned that being independent does not mean doing everything alone or being selfish. It means being responsible, emotionally strong, and ready to face problems calmly. When I can take care of myself, I'm also able to support the people around me better. As a closing message, I want to say this. Uh, Independence is not about never needing others. It is about being reliable, thoughtful, and present when people need you. And this is one thing I'm truly proud of. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Thank you guys. Sehat-sehat kalian dan jaga diri kalian. Dan ingat guys, kalian sudah melalui banyak rasa sakit.